Shut the fuck up and give me a good argument or I'm gonna hang up on you. You're not arguing in good faith at all. You're over here insulting women, saying they're useless and weak, and then saying the difference of 5 pounds is gonna make it so a woman can't be in the fucking military. You're one of the most embarrassing, pathetic pieces of fucking shit that I've ever encountered.
Why are you so mad?
Because you are pathetic, and because you think that you can get up
weak.
here in my chat and say stupid shit and then argue in bad faith and then say, hey, why are you getting mad and name calling? Because I don't care if I get mad and name call because you're a pathetic piece of shit. Don't be a stupid fuckwad.
Did I hit a nerve or something? Like, what's going on?
Okay, pal. See you later, dude.
We're using averages.
Seriously,
right?
on average, your mom should have swallowed. The world would be a better place. Fuck you, prick.